Hi guys, I'm Arts Poodle and today is just a very quick tutorial on how to make stamps in Procreate. And don't mind me, I just went in the shower. I have a beautiful towel on my head, so a brush in Procreate. What I love to do is I create a stack and I create different canvases so that I can just mess around and they won't be like in my way with my other drawings. So I'm just going ahead and gonna open like a project where I have multiple layers in with multiple drawings so that I can show you how I do it. So this was actually something that I drew for a drawing that I'm busy with, and I just created the stamp of it, so very easy. And I created a stamp of different pencils, sketch pencils, different things like that, a sketchbook, a paw, different things. But I all do them on different layers because you need to make a new layer to just have one item on it, because if you create a brush from that layer, then the sketchbook and the paw will be on the same stamp. And what I also love to do is create a new brush set, and you just swipe up, you see the blue plus icon, you click on it, you make a new brush set, and in that brush set you can make new brushes. You can also change the name or share the brush set. You can do different things with it. You can move it as well, and those are actually all my stamps. And now I'm gonna show you how I made those stamps. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my layers, and I'm gonna choose one of the things I drew where I don't have a stamp of yet. So I always draw them pretty small, so you just gotta make them bigger, otherwise the stamp would be pretty small as well. So keep that in mind. If you want a really clean stamp, then it's maybe better for you to just draw it a little bit bigger. But I'm just gonna work with this because it's like a background thing. It doesn't need to be that clean. And I'm just gonna export it as a PNG and save it in my image. It doesn't really matter how you do that or how you export it, just make sure it's in your images. And now we're gonna create the brush. Now it's going to get exciting. So click on your brush set, make sure you're in it, and I click on the plus icon on the right corner, and we're not gonna do anything with this. We're not gonna do anything yet. We're just gonna go ahead to the shape, and then you see the little edit thingy, and you click on it, and then you see import, cancel, and done. And we're gonna click on the import, and now you can choose a source where you want to import from. And I'm gonna choose my pictures, and I'm gonna blur that out, of course, because there are some personal things in it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the thing that I want to make a stamp of. And now you're gonna press with 2 fingers on the canvas to make the white square transparent, so you just keep the line art and nothing else. And if you don't want that, just press again, but I'm just gonna keep it and keep my background transparent. And now click on done, and I always forget that, so make sure you click on done, because otherwise it won't save the shape. And now it looks like this. And now we're gonna need to make a stamp of it, so we're gonna go ahead to the stroke pad, and we're gonna edit the spacing and just set it at 100. And now it's like pretty small, but it's already a stamp actually, guys. So I'm not gonna change anything about all of those different things that you can change. I'm gonna change one thing with the shape. I'm gonna change the rotation a little bit. I'm just gonna push it up a little bit, so it always go in different directions. It's a little bit like it's more fun and more interesting than always in the same direction. I'm not going to change anything about this. I just want to go ahead to the second last one from below, and this is where you actually can change how big it will be or the maximum size. And I'm going to pull the maximum size on a 100%. Now I'm going to name my brush. I'm just going to call it my sketch Faber-Castell pencil, something like that. And it's actually done. Now we're just gonna save the brush, and that's it. And I'm also gonna draw it with Arty Poodle, and because I just love that feature in Procreate, so I'm gonna use it. And now click on the yellow thing in the right corner, upper corner, and it's a brush in the brush set that I just created. So just go ahead and play with it. You can change the color, you can change the size, the opacity, you can change all of those different things on your own stamp, on your own brush. And I know, guys, it's a very quick tutorial, but it's actually, this is the basic of making a stamp in Procreate, and it's so easy, it's so fun. So I would really recommend play with it. Go ahead and choose your favorite drawing, choose your favorite thing and make a stamp of it. And you can also use it with eyes or with lips, something you struggle to draw with. Just create a beautiful drawing of it, make a stamp, and just reuse it in every single drawing. So that's it. That's it. Pretty easy. I'm just gonna close the video off now. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.